Need to make some quick cash on the side? You're in luck because today we're diving into Upwork, the freelance world where you can turn your skills into extra dollars fast. I'm talking about real gigs, real money, and the best part? You don't need to be a tech genius to start, so stick around for a surprise at the end. You won't want to miss it. First up, virtual assistants. If you can organize your messy desktop, you can probably do this. Businesses, entrepreneurs, and even the guy next door need help with everyday stuff like emails, scheduling, and spreadsheets. Click Apply, bid low to start, and you could be earning $15, $20, or even $30 an hour just for managing someone's calendar. Easy, right? Next up, content writing. If you can string a few sentences together, bam, you've got yourself a gig. Whether it's blog posts, website copy, or social media content, businesses are always hungry for writers. And the best part? You can charge anywhere from $30 to $100 per article. Write a quick proposal, maybe sprinkle in some SEO magic, keywords and stuff. And boom, you're in the writing business. Now, for all my artistic folks out there, let's talk graphic design. Logos, social media banners, flyers, you name it. If you've got a creative streak and a decent design tool, you can charge anywhere from $50 to $200 for a single logo. Don't have fancy design software? No problem. Tools like Canva or Figma are free and super easy to use. Get your creative juices flowing, hit apply, and let's get that money. Okay, so how do you even get started on Upwork? Super simple. Just set up your profile, add your skills, write a catchy description, and start bidding on jobs. I'm talking under a minute, and boom, you're ready to go. See? Easy peasy. Now all you have to do is start bidding on jobs. And trust me, once you get that first gig, you're hooked. Let's do this live. Watch me bid on a gig in real time. I'll choose this one. Need help proofreading blog posts? Perfect. Here's my proposal. Hey there, I'm fast, detail-oriented, and I love fixing typos. Let me make your blog perfect. Hit send, and now we wait. And yes, got the gig. And now, for the surprise I promised. I'm giving away free freelance services on Upwork to one lucky viewer. Yep, you heard me. Drop a comment below about the funniest freelance gig you've ever seen, and I might just hire you for your very first Upwork job. Or maybe I'll buy you a logo, voiceover, or even proofreading service. You choose. So hit that like button, smash subscribe, and leave your funniest comment below. Let's get this freelance party started. Maybe with you as the next Upwork superstar. Stay tuned for the giveaway winner in the next video. Keep hustling and making that extra cash.